Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change TradingView to dark mode. To change your TradingView application to dark mode is super easy. First of all, open your TradingView mobile application and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now once you press on the menu button, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on theme. Tap on dark option from the theme and click on yes. Soon after you do that, your TradingView interface should now appear in dark mode, which can be easier on the eyes in low light conditions. You can always come back to the same location and change to system theme, dark theme or the bright theme according to your preference. So that's how you easily change TradingView to dark mode using the TradingView mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again.